nature. So we saw that ants work together in a collective unit, in a swarm they even say, and we wanted to copy that. But we saw that they communicated through a central system, and if they are going to off-grid, where there's no internet or no resource whatsoever, they have to communicate through a system which is not central, so decentral. So that's why we came up with drones on the blockchain.
We have a multidisciplinary team. We have a bunch of security guys, we have front-end developers, we have back-end developers, we have storytellers, so it's a quite diverse team.
We've been working already with each other for a year or such on already quite some blockchain applications for large multinationals and governments. So it was already easy for us to form that team because we are already kicking ass.
We like to work with different technologies, and we like to work with bleeding, cutting edge technology. So that's our motivation, exploring what is capable, what we can do with this type of technologies.
We as Kryha, we are focused on a technology perspective. So we just want to build cool stuff. But for next generation or societal change, we need these tools and we need this technology push with a human center. So we start with a very hard technology push, and then we'll see a great purpose for it. So it starts most of the time, we just want to do this cool stuff, and then see, this actually makes sense and this actually can change society.
We had an idea to build a tool combining AI and blockchain, but we didn't really know where to apply it. So today was mostly about how are we actually going to apply this and the story around it.
We think that we got the technology figured out. We know how to build decentralized drones, and we know how to code that, but we need to think about what these tools can bring to a potential world economy or society. So we talked with Jan-Peter through how these tools can be beneficial, or how these tools can indeed get us to a next level circular economy.
What we want to achieve during this hackathon is to come up with something really cool, actually, so that people will appreciate and that hopefully will change the way we do things.
We believe that eventually all technology we build will be public, but there's a threshold to go through, I guess, for most corporations. They like control right now. And it was the same in the 90s with the internet and the internet. We will come to a change, but it takes time.
I participated last year with a team and it was really fun. So now we want to go again and win. I have to defend my title, so.